Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to use Character.AI. So, if you have ever dreamed of chatting with the famous figures or exploring different personalities from the comfort of your home, today I'll be showing you how to use Character.AI, an innovative platform that brings virtual conversation to life. Whether you're interested in chatting with virtual celebrities, historical figures, or creating entirely new characters, Character.AI offers a unique experience that allows you to explore engaging lifelike interactions. So, Character AI is a powerful platform where users can interact with a wide range of virtual personalities powered by artificial intelligence. While these aren't real people, the conversations you will have feel remarkably realistic. Whether you're interacting with famous celebrity, a historical icon like Albert Einstein, or even fictional characters from TV shows and books, Character AI provides a rich variety of conversational experience. The platform allows users to create, customize, and even train AI characters to better understand their preferences. This platform is not just for casual conversations, it's also a place where you can have deep philosophical discussions, learn new things, or even get assistance with creative projects. The diversity of interactions available makes Character AI much more than a simple chat tool. So, to begin using Character AI, you will need to open your preferred web browser and go to the search bar, type in Character AI, then click on this link that says Character.AI. Personalized AI for every moment. Click on this link and this is going to open this page. If you're using a mobile device, there's an app available for iOS and Android, which offers an optimized tailored experience for mobile users. Once on the Character AI's homepage, look for the sign up button. This can usually be found in the top left corner. So signing up is a straightforward process and can be done using your Google, Apple, or email credentials. Choose the option that's most convenient for you, and once decided on your preferred sign up method, you will need to provide some basic information. Go ahead and click on your sign up choice. In my case, I've chosen Google. Now I will have to choose a Google account to sign up with. Now I'll click on continue and I'll be promoted to this page where I will need to provide some basic information. So on the first page, select your date of birth, click on continue. After that, you'll be successfully logged in on Character AI's dashboard. So this is Character AI's homepage. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a smooth experience even if it's your first time using AI-driven chat platforms. On the homepage, you will see a list of AI characters that are available for interactions. Each character has a predefined personality, backstory, and conversational style, making them unique in their responses. You can either explore popular characters or search for specific personalities that match your interests. The homepage is divided into categories, making it easy to browse and discover new characters. Whether you're interested in celebrities, fictional characters, or educational AIs, the platform organizes everything for quick access. Character AI offers an expansive selection of characters to chat with. These include well-known figures from pop culture, literature, and even history. Some of the more popular characters, like virtual versions of celebrities, will often appear at the top of the results. So go ahead and click on this search for characters button here or here and search for example, Jesse Pinkman. Now, some of the more popular characters like virtual versions of celebrities will often appear at the top of the results. Simply click on a character's profile and chat window will open. The AI will typically initiate the conversation, drawing from its predefined personality. This makes the conversation feel natural and immersive, with responses tailored to character's design. Whether you want to have a light-hearted chat or dive into a deep philosophical discussion, the platform provides flexibility based on characters you choose. If you want to further personalize your experience on Character AI, you can create and define your own persona. Now, after this chat gets opened, you can simply type in any message to this character and this character is going to reply you. You can also click on this star buttons and rate your conversation for this character. You can click on this play button and this is going to play this message on your device. Now, you can click on this call Jesse Pinkman button and you can have a call with Jesse Pinkman. Hey yo, what's up? Now you can cut this call. And as you can see, I asked Jesse Pinkman, hey bro, what's up? And he replied with, not much, just chilling bro, what's new with you? So this is a pretty awesome feature on Character AI. So this is Preferences tab and you can choose the theme, select your language and choose the chat style anyhow you want. We have three options, default, classic and dense. We'll choose default. Now you can select whether you want preview releases from stable or preview. So we'll cut this out. Now, once you're ready to chat, it's as simple as selecting a character to chat with and opening a chat window. Character typically initiates the conversation based on their personality traits and background. You can then engage by tapping your responses, guiding the conversation in whichever directions you choose. The AI is capable of handling a range of conversational tones from casual chats to deeper, more thoughtful discussions. Character AI supports more than just text-based responses. You can use emojis, markdown text, and other features to enhance your chat experience, making interactions feel richer and more engaging. This variety helps users feel like they're having a real conversation, bridging the gap between human-to-human interaction and AI communication. Now, Character AI also encourages users to provide feedback on their conversations. After each chat, you can rate their interaction. If a particular response doesn't meet your expectations, you can choose from alternative replies or provide feedback to improve the AI future responses. This helps the platform continually refine its AI characters, ensuring better and more personalized interactions over time. Character AI offers a variety of categories that cater to different user interests. And here's a closer look at some of the categories you can explore. Now, if you have ever dreamt of chatting with your favorite celebrity or historical figure, with Character AI, you can engage in virtual conversations with well-known personalities, including famous actors, musicians, and even iconic historical figures like Albert Einstein. The platform provides an opportunity to explore dialogues with people you have always admired. For fans of anime and video games, Character AI allows you to interact with characters from popular series and games. Whether you want to discuss strategies with an RPG character or simply chat with your favorite anime hero, there's a wide variety of options to choose from in this category. You'll have to just search for that character, initiate a conversation, and you will have it on your hands. You can collaborate with AI characters to brainstorm ideas, refine your work, or get assistance with specific projects. The educational categories is perfect for those looking to learn something new. Whether you want to practice a language or dive deeper into historical events, Character AI makes learning interactive by allowing you to engage with characters that specialize in educational topics. If you don't find the character you're looking for, you can create your own. The process is simple. Simply click on the Create Character button at the top left, select whether you want to create a character or voice, and click on Create Character button. Now, input the character's name, enter the tagline, and write an introductory greeting in this tagline. You can also upload an image and further customize the character's setting. So go ahead and describe how would your character describe themselves. You can add a greeting in this area, select the voice, and click on Create, click on OK. You can click on Agree and Continue. Now you can upload a sound by clicking here and upload an audio file. Now, after you're done, you can select the visibility of this character by clicking here and click on Create Character. Once created, you can interact with your character immediately, guiding its personality and responses with each conversation. Now, here are some practical tips to help you get the most out of Character AI. First one is be clear and specific. Use clear and detailed prompts when interacting with AI to get the best results. Second, use revisions wisely. If a response isn't perfect, use the revision feature to refine it until you are satisfied. The third one is adjust privacy settings. Familiarize yourself with the platform's privacy settings and adjust them to your comfort level. Now, the fourth one is verifying information. Always cross-check AI-generated content before using it in important decisions. So Character AI is more than just a chat tool. It's a playground for your imagination. Whether you want to engage in meaningful conversations or just have fun chatting with virtual personalities, Character AI offers a dynamic and interactive experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.